If you're anything like me, you love this steel bumper in your Jeep, but there's just one problem. You've got to have a bunch of exposed wiring back here. So what to do? Not a problem. Utah Design Foundry has a solution. They've come up with some really cool backplates that'll actually fill in that space. So what are we gonna do today? We're gonna install these in our Jeep. So one of the first things we need to do is install this trim here around the edge. Now the reason for that is when we put this on the vehicle, there's actually gonna be a slight gap right here where it lines up to the bumper. And so we're actually gonna wanna fill that with that little piece of gasket here. So let's go ahead and put that on. Okay, so this shows you just how the trim actually gets mounted on there. There's a couple tight corners, so you're gonna have a little bit of pinching. I went ahead and used a lens wipe to clean this surface, just to make sure that would stick really well. But looks like that's good. Let's go ahead and get this mounted up. All right, so let's take a look at this installed now. You can see where that gasket kind of fills that edge there, but it does a great job of locking everything up and no more exposed wires. So now let's go ahead and get that installed on the other side and we're all good. All right, so we've gone ahead and installed the passenger side as well. As you can see, again, that slight gap there filled by that gasket, but overall, pretty good fit. It definitely keeps those wires from being exposed and mud from collecting in the bumper. All in all, great fit. Thanks, Utah Design Foundry.